Good morning. Today is 1st December. We are going to read in reader book. Page number 18. The topic is loving nature. Read first. Read the words that begin with PL. And here are some words which start with PL. Like PLAY, play, PLANT, plant, PLATE, plate, PLUG, plug, PLUM, plum, PLUS, plus, PLUCK, pluck, PLASTIC, plastic. Here are some sentences. Plant trees. Do not pluck leaves and flowers. Do not use plastic. So today we learn words which starts and begin with PL. The sound of PL is play. Like play, plant, plate, plug, plum, plus, plug, plastic. Okay.